What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 5 websites that you can earn money just by signing up. That's right, we're talking about free money online here. What you need to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so I just came up with one more site here, so I'm actually going to share with you 5+1 here. What you need to do is stay with me, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information regarding these 5+1 sites I'm going to share with you here on how you can earn free money just by signing up here. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. It is related to make money online, work from home opportunities and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description, of course, below also. And make sure you also check out my #1 recommendation if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business. I highly suggest you to have a closer look at it when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see what these 5 websites are that we can go sign up for free and earn some money. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first off, this is a site I shared in the past and it is Vindale.com. And you can see here that we have a pop-up window that says that you can sign up and earn $1 instantly. Alright, so you get paid just for signing up. How cool is that? You don't have to do anything at all. And you can see here basically Vindale is a research company here. So you can get started here to take some surveys and you can actually earn pretty good money with Vindale here. You can earn up to $50 here. So they do have some high paying surveys actually, which is also totally free to sign up with this site here. So if you just have a quick look, you can see here ways to earn. If I go to this section, you can see here you won't only get paid online by taking surveys. Below you can learn how to earn money online using several of Vindale's great services. So they do have actually more than just one opportunity here. It's not only by taking surveys. So I mean, you earn money just by signing up, but you can also earn more money here. You can see here that we have the survey section. There is a reward codes. You can get paid if you find reward codes here. There is some referral program where you can earn $5 for every referral that you, for every friend, I'm sorry, that you refer actually. So this is something that I would focus on also because you can make some pretty good money by just referring people here. They do have something called reward mail also. So you can see, and we have the Vindale's videos where you can actually watch paid videos and give feedback and of course get paid for that too. So you can see that there is a lot of opportunities that you can make money. It's not only by just signing up there, but you saw it in the beginning that you can actually earn $1 for just signing up there. Vindale.com, have a closer look at it, and let's move on to the next website. Next website is inboxdollars.com. And you can see here, since I'm located in Europe, they do actually encourage our EU members to sign up for Inbox Pounds to be eligible for more earning opportunities. But if you are located in the States, you get actually $5 just for signing up there. If you are not located and you are in Europe like I am, they are going to actually redirect you to inboxpounds.co.uk, and you can see here that I can earn £1 here, £1 British in bonus for just signing up there. Now Inbox Pounds, you can see here brands pay us for consumer input, so it is more or less about taking surveys. But they do also have that you can watch videos, for example, and earn real cash here. All right, you can see here that they do have paid out over 2 million to the members worldwide here. and it has been seen on BBC News, Yahoo Finance, so it is a trusted company actually. There is an FAQ section, you can have a look at it if you are interested to check out the details here. Of course, you can see here how can help me earn cash rewards. Inbox Pound can help me earn cash or rewards for my online activities. You can see here all the details. So I'm not going to read through it because it will take up too much time of the video here. So go ahead and have a look at the details for yourself. Let's move on to another opportunity, and that is BeFrugal.com. BeFrugal.com, you can see here, it is actually a site that has a lot of opportunities here, some coupons, some stores, some deals, restaurants, but what we are interested in is this section here. You can join for free and get $10. So $10 instantly for just joining. Okay, you can also see it here at the bottom, so this is super cool. You just go here to the section, you can enter your email address, or you can of course continue with Facebook or your Google account there, and you can get $10. All right, you can see here that there is a cashback programs here also. You can earn up to 40% at 5,000 plus top stores here. So if you are interested, of course, you can also check out the details. There is an FAQ section here also. So I'm not going to go into detail, but you also have a referral program here as well. So definitely a great way to earn more money, and a lot more money, I would say actually, is to work with a referral section on most of these programs. So just go to BeFrugal.com, check out the details, go to the FAQ section if that interests you. You can see that there is blogs and resource and tools here. Have a look at all the details for yourself actually if you think that this is something for you. Alright, let's move on to something else, and that is shopathome.com. You can see here straight when we arrive to the site that you can get a $10 welcome bonus here, and you join for free. So you can choose between Amazon gift card or of course PayPal gift card here. This is a cashback site, as you can see here. You can earn cashback at over 2,000 stores here. But a cool way to actually earn $10 straight away just by signing up here. Shop at home, you can see here they work at your favorite stores. It is a cashback and you get paid by check, PayPal or gift card here. So it totally depends on you. And you can see here at the section below, if you are interested to check out all the details here, coupon codes for your favorite online stores. You can see you have Amazon, Walmart and so on here. All right, go ahead, check out shopathome.com there. Let's move on to something else, and that is actually FusionCash.net. Fusion Cash has been around for a while here, and you can see that you get $5 in sign-up bonus, okay? So, as I say, what are you waiting for? Requirements: confirm your email address and complete a brief survey. That is how you can actually earn these $5 here in sign-up bonus. And you can see here that they do have a video section. If I just click at it, since I'm not logged in here, this will pop up here. I do need, of course, to register. They do have tasks, mobile apps, games, referral section also, and more here. So what you need to do here, you can see here, you just need to sign up actually to check out all the details. No credit card required. This is super nice, okay? So here is a help section if you are interested in that. You can see here you can get help. These are an affiliate section also, but I think it's pretty straightforward actually. Just go to FusionCash.net, sign up there, and get started to see what works for you, okay? Alright, let's move on to a final one, the bonus one, and it is MyPoints.com. MyPoints.com, pretty similar here. You can see that you earn $10 in gift cards or $10 in Visa cards. So this is $10 straight away for just signing up here. And of course, this is pretty similar to some earlier sites here. It is a cashback site also. And you redeem your points for gift cards and more here. So you can see here you get a $10 bonus today. Now, all these opportunities, of course, as I said, they are not something that you can get rich on by just signing up here and earn $10. So if you're interested in actually build a real sustainable online business, make a full-time passive income online, then what you need to do is actually check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation there also. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.